Hi friends, welcome back to our SP English Educare channel. Today I am going to demonstrate second PUC Biology Model Question Paper 3 2024 to 2025 with answer solved by Shivani Vaijinath and narrated by Srishti Balakrishna. So before exposing the question paper and answer, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon and like, share so you'll get the notification as soon as we upload the video. Okay, now let me move to expose the answer. Part A, first bit. Select the correct alternative from the choices given below. First, the ploidy of perisperm present in beet seed is A. Haploid, B. Diploid, C. Tetraploid, D. Triploid, and the answer is B. Diploid. Second, some plants such as Viola, common pansy, oxalis and commelina produce two types of flowers, namely A. Chascogamous and Xenogamous, B. Clistogamous and Zitonogamous, C. Zitonogamous and Xenogamous, D. Chascogamous and Clistonogamous, and the answer is D. Chascogamous and Clistonogamous. Third, the correct sequence of embryonic development in angiosperm is A. Zygote to globular to proembryo to heart-shaped to mature embryo, B. Zygote to heart-shaped to proembryo to globular to mature embryo, C. Zygote to proembryo to globular to heart-shaped to mature embryo, D. Zygote to globular to heart-shaped to proembryo to mature embryo, and the answer is C. Zygote to proembryo to globular to heart-shaped to mature embryo. Fourth, during pregnancy, the fetus develop limbs and digits. A. After 3 weeks, B. After 8 weeks, C. After 6 weeks, D. After 9 weeks, and the answer is B. After 8 weeks. Fifth, in spermatogenesis, SH hormone is not secreted from the anterior pituitary gland. Which stage is affected? A. Formation of primary spermatocyte, B. Formation of spermatozoa, C. Formation of spermatid, D. Formation of secondary spermatocyte, and the answer is B. Formation of spermatozoa. Sixth, to produce 2000 sperm and 400 ova, how many spermatogonia and oogenia are required? A. 500 spermatogonia and 200 oogenia, B. 500 spermatogonia and 400 oogenia, C. 250 spermatogonia and 250 oogonia, D. 250 spermatogonia and 400 oogonia, and the answer is B. 500 spermatogonia and 400 oogonia. 7th, which among the following sexually transmitted infection are not curable? A. Gonorrhea, syphilis, hepatitis B, B. Chlamydiasis, genital warts, trichomoniasis, C. Gonorrhea, HIV infection, chlamydiasis, D. Hepatitis B, genital herpes and HIV infection, and the answer is D. Hepatitis B, genital herpes and HIV infection. 8. A pedigree chart is given below. Identify the trait responsible for this inheritance pattern. A. autosomal dominant trait, B. Autosomal recessive trait, C. X-linked recessive trait, D. X-linked dominant trait, and the answer is B. Autosomal recessive trait. 9. In lack operand, if mutation occurs in the Z gene, A. Transacetylase will not be synthesized, B. Beta-galactosidase will not be synthesized, C. Permease will not be synthesized, D. Lactose digestion will be rapid, and the answer is B. Beta-galactosidase will not be synthesized. 10th. Match the type of man with their origin periods and choose the correct answer. Column 1, column 2. Dramapithecus 1.5 MYA. Australopithecines 1.5 MYA. Homo erectus 1 lakh to 40,000 years back. Neanderthal man 2 MYA. 3 MYA. A first, B fourth, C third, D second. B. A second, B fourth, C first, D third. C. A third, B first, C fourth, D fifth. D. A fourth, B second, C third, D fifth, and the answer is B. A second, B fourth, C first, D third. 11th. Nowadays, diseases like dengue and chikungunya are widespread in different parts of India. To prevent the spread of the disease, which vector has to be eliminated? A. Culls, B. Anopheles, C. Female anopheles, D. AIDS, and the answer is D. AIDS. 12th. If a patient has undergone myocardial infarction leading to heart attack, to remove clots from the blood vessels of patient, which enzyme is used by the doctor to treat the patient? A. Pectinase, B. Streptokinase, C. Protease, D. Lipase, and the answer is B. Streptokinase. 13th. A piece of alien DNA cannot multiply itself in the progeny cells of the organism due to A. Lack of oocyte, B. Denaturation, C. Renaturation, D. Incompatibility, and the answer is A. Lack of oocyte. 14th. H&E hint second cuts DNA molecule by recognizing a specific recognition sequence of A. 3 base pairs, B. 6 base pair, C. 8 base pair, D. 10 base pairs, and the answer is B. 6 base pair. 15th. Given below is a portion of DNA strand giving the base sequence on the opposite strand. What is so special shown in it? A. Replication completed, B. Deletion mutation, C. Start codon at 5'1", D. Palindromic sequence, and the answer is D. Palindromic sequence. Second bit. Fill in the blanks by choosing the appropriate word or words from those given below. Saccharomyces cerevisiae, adaptive radiation, hormone releasing iodines, RNA interference, saccade grooves, bacteria. 16. Dash makes the uterus unsuitable for implantation and the cervix hostile to the sperm, and the answer is hormone releasing iodines. 17th. The process of evolution of different species in a given geographical area, starting from a point and literally radiating to other areas of geography habitat, is called, and the answer is adaptive radiation. Dash is used for fermenting malted cereals and fruit juice to produce ethanol, and the answer is Saccharomyces cerevisiae. 19th. The phenomena of silencing a specific mRNA due to complementary dsRNA molecule that binds to mRNA and prevents translation is, and the answer is RNA interference. 20. Are the tracts of forest were set aside and all the trees and wildlife within were penetrated and given total protection, and the answer is scared groves. Part B. Third bit. Answer any 5 the following question in 3-5 sentence wherever applicable. 21st. What are emergency contraceptives? Write their hormonal combination, and the answer is below. 22. List the measures to check the population growth rate, and the answer is below. 23. What is haplodiploid sex determination mechanism? Mention an animal which exhibit this, and the answer is below. 24th. Write a note on the role of sigma factor and the rho factor in transcription in prokaryotes, and the answer is below. 25th. Mention the evolutionary significance of the following organism. A. Shrimps. B. Lobophims, and the answers are below. 26. Write the role of cyanobacteria that act as biofertilizers, and the answer is below. 27. ELISA is one of the methods of molecular diagnosis. What is the principle of this technique? Name the disease which can be detected by this method, and the answer is below. Part C, 4th bit. Answer any 5 of the following questions in 40 to 80 sentence wherever applicable. 28. Draw a label diagram of transfer section of young anther, and the answer is below. 29th. During pregnancy, the level of hormones are increased several fold in the maternal blood. Name the hormones and write their importance, and the answer is below. 30. Draw a label diagram of Miller's experiment setup, and below is the diagram. 31st. The use of biocontrol measures will greatly reduce our dependence on toxic chemicals and pesticides, and the answer is below. 32. 32. What is gene therapy? Write the steps involved in curing ADA deficiency by gene therapy, and the answer is below. 33. Pyramid of energy is always upright, can never be inverted. Give reasons, and the answer is below. 34. There are many reasons for conserving biodiversity. Briefly explain the reason for conserving biodiversity from the narrowly utilitarian point of view, and the answer is below. 'D' Fifth bit. Answer any four of the following questions in about 200 to 250 words each, wherever applicable. 35th. Draw a neat label diagrammatic sectional view of male reproductive system. Below is the diagram. 36. 36. A. Define aneuploidy. Give 2 examples of aneuploidy, and the answer is below. B. Mention the karyotype of Klinefelter syndrome of an affected individual and write its symptoms. Below is the answer. A. Identify the polarity of X and Y in the above given diagram and how many more amino acids are accepted to be added to this elongating polypeptide chain, and the answer is below. B. Which sequence of bases are generally found at the X and Y polarity, and the answer is below. C. Mention the anticodon for alanine and valine amino acid based on the diagram, and answer is below. D. What is the composition of the catalyst involved in the peptide bond formation in this process, and the answer is below. 38. List the silent features of human genome, and the answer is below. What are lymphoid organs? Write the function of the following in response to immune system in our body. A. Bone marrow. B. Thymus. C. Spleen. D. Lymph node, and the answer is below. Explain different techniques which help in cancer detection and diagnosis, and the answer is below. A. Write 3 vectors free techniques that can be utilized to transfer recombinant DNA into a ready host cell, and the answer is below. B. Agrobacterium tumefaciens act as natural vector for cloning genes in plants substrate, and the answer is below. Sixth bit. Answer any one of the following question in about 200 to 250 words each, wherever applicable. For 52. Picture related to pollination is given below. A. Will this pollination confirm fertilization? And the answer is below. B. What are the floral rewards provided by the plants to the insects to revisit? And the answer is below. C. Mention the characteristics of flower in this pollination other than floral rewards, and the answer is below. Thalassemia is a quantitative problem of synthesizing globin. Explain in detail with respect to chromosome, number of genes and alleles, and the feature, and the answer is below. Predators are prudent and conduits in nature. Support your answer by giving reason. P. And the answer is below. B. To lessen the impact of predation, prey species have evolved different defensive methods in plants and animals. Support your answer by giving one example, each for a plant and an animal. India, and the answer is below.